Okay, so fundamentals of accounting 2, we'll be discussing periodic versus perpetual method, which is only used in merchandising and manufacturing business. So once again, when we say merchandising and manufacturing business, we have a product to sell. So for merchandising, you purchase a ready-made material or products that is to be sold, while in manufacturing you are purchasing raw materials uh, for you to be able to obtain your or to generate the income. So the difference between manufacturing and merchandising to a service business is a service business uses professional skills to generate income. So what is the difference between periodic versus perpetual when it comes to manufacturing and merchandising business? So before we start, at the end of this video, you're going to solve business-related problems by journalizing transaction and general ledger of manufacturing and merchandising business. So what is a perpetual inventory system? So this is what we call perpetual method. So a perpetual inventory system updates inventory accounts after each purchase or sale. So inventory subsidiary ledger is updated after each transaction. So inventory quantities are updated continuously. So kapag sinabi natin perpetual inventory system, meron tayong hiwalay na ledger, di ba? We have special ledger for different type of accounts. So for this case, yung ledger na yon is to be specific para sa inventory lang. Na kapag ikaw ay gumagamit ng perpetual inventory system, yung subsidiary ledger mo for the inventory is always updated at the after each transaction. So the moment you purchase inventory or ito yung sinasabi nating products na ibebenta mo for you to generate income in manufacturing and merchandising business. So yun nga, sa inventory subsidiary ledger, lagi mo siya ina-update. So, nandun yung part na lagi mo makikita kung gaano karami pa yung inventory na meron ka. So, that is a perpetual inventory system. While a periodic inventory system records inventory purchase or sale in purchases account. So, instead of using the word inventory, we use the word purchases for purchasing inventories. And also, for the sale of inventory, we also use purchases. Now, purchase account is updated continuously. However, the inventory account is updated on a periodic basis. So, pag sinabing periodic basis, it is updated at the end of each accounting period na pwede monthly, quarterly, or per year. So, ang inventory subsidiary ledger niya ay hindi nyo laging hawak o hindi lagi siyang ina-update. Kasi inventory quantities are not updated continuously and also inventory quantities are updated on a periodic basis. So, yung subsidiary ledger ng inventory kapag periodic inventory system ang gamit, hinahawakan nyo lang siya tuwing matatapos yung accounting period. So, kaya siya tinawag na periodic. So, magkaiba po ba ang inventory at purchases? So, for you to identify the difference between inventory and purchases, idedepende natin siya sa method wherein parehas naman siyang pertaining to the inventory. Kaya lang, yung system of recording, yung nag-iiba sa perpetual at saka periodic. Now, both accounts or both method ay merong inventory, pero kapag periodic, since i-update mo siya at the end of each accounting period, instead inventory, purchases ang bibilin mo kapag nagkakaroon ng transaction regarding inventory. So to cut it short, no, kapag ang account title na ginagamit kapag perpetual at ang transaction is pertaining to the inventory, ang gagamitin mo kapag perpetual method is inventory automatic, while kapag periodic, ang gagamitin mo muna is purchases. Ngayon, kapag ikaw naman ay nakabenta or yung cost, ang importance ng cost of goods sold sa inventory, since perpetual, di ba, continuous mo siyang ina-update, meron kang cost of goods sold at the same date with the transaction. Pero kapag periodic, hindi mo dire-record agad si cost of goods sold, instead at the end of the accounting period pa. So, another is the update time. Na kapag ikaw ay naka-perpetual method, si inventory mo ay updated continuously. Pero while kapag periodic, ang update mo lagi is every end of the period. Yeah. Anong account po si inventory at si purchases? Si inventory at si purchases ay parehas asset, since you have the control to sell the product or to hold it. So, nasa iyo yung final decision, or nasa business yung final decision. Kaya, it is considered asset. Now, let us have an example of a merchandising and manufacturing business. So, on May 1, 2016, we purchased 1,000 units of merchandise at $30 per unit. So, since based on the statement, there is no declared cash payment for the purchased 1,000 unit. So, we assume na under perpetual inventory system, ang magiging journal transaction natin will be like this one. So 5/1/2016, you have merchandise inventory, or you can use simply inventory, which is 30,000 kasi nga 1,000 times 30 is 30,000. Credit to accounts payable, which is 30,000 din. While kapag ikaw ay nag-periodic inventory system using the same transaction, instead of using merchandise inventory, ang gagamitin natin is purchases, which is 30,000, credit to accounts payable na 30,000. So, see? So, the difference is yung debit account, which is periodic. Mapapansin nyo, ma-update agad natin si subsidiary ledger ni inventory. Pero kapag periodic inventory system, gagamitin mo si purchases, magkakaroon ka ng additional account, pero si subsidiary ledger, mai-update mo rin, pero at the end of the accounting period pa. Kasi nga, ibang account ang ginagamit mo while recording the transaction. So, one reminder. So, under periodic inventory system, all purchases during the accounting period are recorded in the purchases account. So, every time that nabibili ka ng for inventory, ang gagamitin mo lagi is purchases. So, Another example, you made a sale. Sabihin, ikaw po yung nakabenta. So, continuing with the first transaction, on May 6, 2016, you sold 200 units of merchandise at $50 per unit on credit. So, ito na. It is mentioned here na you sold it on credit. No other, without any term, without any notes. So, under ng perpetual inventory system, ang magiging journal transaction mo on May 6, 2016 will be accounts receivable, credit to sales. So, accounts receivable is $10,000, credit to sales sa $10,000. Siyempre, under perpetual, i-update mo agad si inventory. So, on the same date of the transaction, 5/1/2016, you have the cost of goods sold, which is 6,000, credit to merchandise inventory na 6,000. So, saan mo nakuha si 6,000? 6,000 ay 200 units times yung bili mo na $30, it is equal to $6,000. So, once again, perpetual, kasabay ng pag-record ng transaction, si cost of goods sold. Ngayon, naka-credit siya sa merchandise inventory. Okay, kasi ito yung stock na meron ka. Now, pag under perpetual inventory system, the changes in merchandise inventory account are recorded after each transaction. Next, under periodic inventory system, ang i-record ko lang is ito nga, 5/1/2016, yung accounts receivable 10,000, sales 10,000. Hindi paano po i-record si cost of goods sold. So, as I have mentioned earlier, magre-record ka lang ng cost of goods sold at the end of the accounting period. So, kapag periodic inventory system, walang cost of goods sold agad na i-record. Okay? So, once na natapos na si accounting period, ganito ang magiging tsura ng adjusting entries niya. So, under inventory system, the following journal entry is recorded at the end of the accounting period. So, you have 5/31/2016, you have the merchandise inventory, which is 24,000. Credit to purchases, 24,000. Sir, paano po nakuha yan? So, you have this one. Diba? Nung buwan, bumili ka ng 1,000 units. Nakabenta ka ng 200 units. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 800 units left. So, sa 800 units left, i-multiply mo siya by 30 kasi $30 per unit. So, 24,000 yung nasa inventory mo pa. Sabihin, si 24,000, ito pa yung worth ng inventory na meron ka. Sir, bakit po credit to purchases? Kasi diba, under ng periodic inventory system, naka-debit si purchases. At para mawala si purchases, kailangan mo siyang credit. So, kung may i-account ka ng purchases, while recording from May 1 to May 30, lahat ng purchases mo is under debit account. So, at the end of the accounting period, maglalagay ka ng credit. So, pag tinotal mo siya, dapat ang lalabas sa kanya palagi ay 0. So after noon, magkakaroon ka na ngayon ng merchandise inventory, which is ang laman ng merchandise inventory is the number of units left or the worth of the units left in your inventory. Ito lahat yun. Next, kasama din doon si cost of goods sold under ng periodic. Ibig sabihin, doon mo palang i-check gaano karami yung unit na nabenta. So 5/31/2016, you have the cost of goods sold 6,000, credit to purchases na 6,000. So kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung parang record ng perpetual ng cost of goods sold. Pero ito, ilalagay lang natin at the end of the accounting period. So kung marami kang naging cost of goods sold sa transaction mo ng May, dito mo siya lahat ito total. So kakaroon ka ngayon ng additional computation na ito. So you have the total purchases minus ending balance of the merchandise inventory. So for the example, you have 1,000 units times $30. So ito yung una, that is 30,000 minus 800 yung natira, yung kinuha mo kanina sa merchandise inventory, credit to purchases na 800 units times $30 per unit, so that is 24,000. So ang magiging cost of goods sold mo is 6,000. So 6,000 lang since dalawang transaction lang yung pinresent ko sa inyo. Pero kapag dumami yan, ito yung process na pwede niyong gawin. You always need to have the total purchases minus ending balance of merchandise inventory para makuha natin kung magkano ang debit amount at ang credit amount na meron tayo. So tandaan, both system have merchandise inventory. The difference is kapag perpetual, merchandise inventory is updated continuously, pero kapag periodic, merchandise inventory is updated at the end of every period. That is why purchases account exists. So that is all for merchandising but the manufacturing business under perpetual and periodic inventory system.